Hey YouTube, this is going to be a quick video. So most people don't know, but I usually shoot with the DJI Pocket 3. Sometimes I use the Insta360 X4, and they have a new camera coming out. It's the Insta Ace Pro Part 2. So I'm going to give a short video quality test to show the difference between the DJI Pocket 3 and the new Insta360 Ace Pro 2. So this is going to be a new type of vlogging camera because it's supposed to be really good in low light, just as the Pocket 3. So now I'm going to give a quick demo of the image quality of these two cameras. Okay, so both cameras are recording at 4K 60. All color profiles are normal. Everything's an automatic, just as you would have picked it up out the box and start recording. I have the Insta360 in D-Warp, no zoom, and the Pocket 3 is in no zoom, regular picture profile. When I upload the video, it would not be no color correction. It would just be straight and raw out of the camera. So as I'm walking, you can kind of see how the video stabilization is. So the Pocket 3 has a built-in gimbal, and the Ace Pro does not. So a little bit later, I'm going to get a video to show you how the low light quality is comparable to these two cameras. Okay, so this is in low light. So one, I have the DJI Pocket 3. It is in its night mode, shooting 4K 24. The Insta360 is also in 4K 24. I also have the face lit priority set for the Insta360. So tell me, which one do you think we should use for a vlogging camera at night? So on the screen, it looks like I can see myself a whole lot better in the DJI. So now I'm going to show you a shot. So this is pure darkness. This is with some light. This is me moving. Let me know if you see any jitters in the video as I'm moving. So yes, for some more videos like this, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in our next video.